Hi there everyone, welcome to this tutorial for the ukulele play-alongs of Blue Hawaii, which was recorded by Elvis Presley shortly after his time in the Army. What we're going to do in this video is first of all look at the chords needed for GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele, then look at the chords needed for baritone DGBE ukulele, and then we'll talk a little bit about strumming as well. If you want to support the work in this channel, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to this channel and its sister channel, so the UkePlayAlongs channel and the UkeStuff channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymecoffee.com/UkeStuff. All right, let's begin with the chords needed for GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. First of all, you'll need the A7 chord. Then you'll need a D7 chord, a G chord, a G diminished 7, which is a lot like the D7, but you're using strings 1 and 3 at the first fret. You'll need a C chord, you'll need an E7 chord, a G7 chord, and then the hardest chord in the song, happens a few times, which is a D augmented, looks like a D plus sign. So what you're going to have to do is build this one out. I would put my first finger down on the first string, first fret, put my second finger on the third string, second fret, my ring finger or third finger on the second string, second fret, and then reach over with my pinky and play the fourth string, third fret, the D augmented chord. It is tricky. And those are the chords you need to play Blue Hawaii on GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. Now let's talk about baritone. Right, in baritone, we're going to start with an A7 chord, which is a bar chord. First finger goes across all four strings right above the metal second fret. Pull against the fretboard like this with your hand holding your ukulele securely. Add your thumb for some support. And then, with the second finger, play the first string, third fret. That's your A7 chord, then a D7 chord, then a G chord, a G diminished 7. I like playing it as a 4-finger chord, although you can play it as a bar chord. But I put down 2 fingers on strings 4 and 2, and I put my other 2 fingers down next on strings 3 and 1. A C chord, an E7 chord, a G7 chord, and then a D augmented chord. First finger goes on the first string, second fret. Fingers 2 and 3 go on strings 3 and 2 at the third fret. And those are the chords you need to play Blue Hawaii on baritone DGBE ukulele. I don't hear an ukulele in the original recording here, which means that there's not one single right answer. People always want the right answer. There never is a right answer because you're making your own creation. There are 3 rules to strumming. First of all, play the right chord at the right time. Number 2, keep a steady tempo or a steady beat. And number 3, make sure that whatever you are playing matches the overall style of the music. Once you have those rules followed, you're good. Now, if you can't figure out a pattern on your own, here are a couple of ideas for you, and they're very closely related. The first one is this, is the island strum, which is where you go down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And what can be tricky for people with that is they freeze and they go down and they sort of like lock into position. My hand never stops moving if you watch it. But if you have a chord change in between, like you go from G to C to G, something like that, you would just start over the island strum for the new chord and go as long as you can until you get to the next chord and then start the island strum over again. So you might not always play the full measure of the island strum. You might just play, for example, half of it. But again, that's down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. If you have to change like this to G to C, it'd be like this. G, C, the island strum generally will work pretty good. The other option would be play down, down, up, down, up, down, up. You're skipping one up strum. It's almost the same as the island strum, except you're missing one little hitch in there, but this works really well too. I'll play it for you. you change chords, you just play again the beginning part of it. Should sound a lot like the island strum changes as well, because the first part of it is the same. And generally, with those chords and those ideas for strumming, that's all you need to do to be successful on Blue Hawaii as performed by Elvis Presley. Thanks so much for joining me for this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.